Tommy. First day arrived. I just bring my Tommy. I put my Gray Parrot name. I will call him Tommy. So my Gray Parrot is 4 month old and my baby is 3 month old. So I want to see that who is going to speak first. Hello. Hello. A very active bird, and I love his activities. And I was just trying to feed him. At the moment, he just ate like 20 ml. I have to give him 40 or 30. At least 30 I have to give. Maximum 40, but 20 is okay. Let's see, after 30 minutes I will give more. Hello. See the condition, still he don't have hair completely, and the guy, you see, he's scared because he just arrived. He's scared, but it's okay if he's making sound, not big deal. But he will be okay because he's just scared, and he already understand how you have to sit on hand. Come on, come on, come on, you see, come on. Yeah. Come on.